A child's journey is shaped by three guiding forces: parents, teachers, and their own curiosity. This gathering is more than just a meeting, it's a bridge that connects hearts and minds, fostering collaboration, trust, and shared responsibility. Here, we come together to nurture potential, strengthen bonds, and create a supportive environment where every child can thrive. Welcome to the Asparsh Parents Children Teachers Meet, where learning is a shared journey and every dream finds encouragement. As we begin this meaningful gathering, let us first introduce the pillars of every child's journey.
महाराष्ट्र के रहने वाले असाना के नाम मेरा नाम गुरप्रीत महाराष्ट्र के रहने वाले मेरा नाम नीतू है ग्राम ऑर्डर के रहने वाले मेरा लड़का का नाम अभिषेक कुमार.
The bond between a parent and a child is built on love, understanding, and the little moment that matters most. When they share the habits they admire in each other, it strengthens their connection, deepening respect and appreciations.
मेरा नाम रीना देवी, मेरा बेटी करीना पढ़ लिख रही है. ये अच्छी बात है. हम काम करने जाते हैं, आते हैं तो मतलब जो भी है छोटी है खाना वाने के लिए पूछती है. रुचि का खाना बनाती है तो अच्छी लगती है.
तो मम्मी खाना बनाती है तो अच्छा लगती है.
अच्छा लगता है.
It's in these simple yet heartfelt exchanges that their bond grows even stronger.
हाँ, खाना पकाना अच्छा लगता है. मम्मी के बारे में मम्मी क्या क्या पका के खिलाती है.
We often see dreams through a lens of stereotypes, limiting them to what society expects. But the creation of life itself begins with a dream, one that knows no boundaries. A mother's dream for her child isn't defined by privilege. It is shaped by love, hope, and the belief in a better future. Listen closely. Admire the colors on sheets and feel the depth of a mother's and child's unspoken wishes.
घर में पढ़ने नहीं लिखा लेकिन चाहती है कि कुछ पढ़ लिख के बिजनेस कर सकता है.
पढ़नी चाहती है और पढ़ के कहती है हम डॉक्टर हैं. रोज शाम को बैठती है, जैसे जाती है तुरंत बन जाती है. जितना मतलब स्कूल वाला भैया पूछते हैं कोची बना रहे हैं उर्मी तो भैया होमवर्क दिए जब और स्कूल वाला मतलब इन्हें जाते समय तो 5 बजते बजते 6 बजते पूरा बना रहे हैं.
मेरा बच्चा ऐसे आगे जगह से कुछ ऐसे काम भी ऐसे कर सकता है.
अरे क्या बात है.
After understanding their emotions and dreams, it's a time to turn aspiration into reality. Friends of Glad Bharat Foundation and volunteers from the Pragati CSR Committee of IIM Bodh Gaya step in not just to guide, but to empower.
पकड़ लेगा कोई.
Through personal counseling, they help parents see the education isn't just a hope, it's a shared responsibility.
सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान सब कुछ नहीं होता है. अपनी भाषा का ज्ञान, अपने बड़े बुजुर्गों का ज्ञान, आपके गांव में जो भी आपकी प्रथा है उसका ज्ञान, वो सब आपसे, आपके बच्चों से, अपने बाबाओं से सीखेंगे. तो इस बात का ध्यान रखिए कि जिस प्रकार का भविष्य आप अपने बच्चों के लिए देखते हैं उसी प्रकार की बातें, उसी प्रकार का माहौल वही बना के रखिए अपने घर में. क्योंकि स्कूल बाद में होता है. बच्चे का पहला स्कूल और बच्चे का पहला टीचर उसकी माँ होती है, उसका घर होता है.
Every dream deserves a chance, and every parent must stand as the first pillar of their child's future. To make this space truly safe and comforting, we asked mothers to bring a home cooked meal for their child. In that simple act of feeding, something profound happened. This gathering became more than a meeting, it became a home for children whose mothers toil in fields, in others' homes, or as a daily wage earner, this moment bridged the distance. A meal made with love, shared with warmth, brought them closer, reminding every child that no matter the struggle, a mother's love is always near. This was the journey of our parents, children, teachers meet. I stepped beyond the traditional, where children became the heart of every conversation. By shifting the focus from just reports and remarks to emotions, intelligence, and critical thinking, we created a space where parents and teachers stand together, not just as a guides, but as partners in a child's growth. Here, learning wasn't just discussed, it was felt, understood, and nurtured, because true education isn't just about books, it's about building a future with love, care, and shared responsibilities.
ठीक है, तो ये हम कार्य आगे भी करते रहेंगे।